Meaning of goy.
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 Goy. Goy is a Yiddish word that refers to a non-Jewish person. It is often used in Jewish culture and religious contexts to differentiate between Jews and non-Jews. The term has both neutral and derogatory connotations, depending on the context and the tone in which it is used. Some Jewish people use the term casually without any negative connotations, while others see it as an insult or a way of alienating non-Jewish people. In short, goy is a Yiddish word that refers to a non-Jewish person, and the connotations of the term can vary.